So what are the best products to sell online? Although I've sold all kinds of products online, I mean, you name it, I've probably sold it online. I have a particular favorite, and that is digital products. Now, digital products are amazing because you typically get 100% profit margin. That means everything that you sell that product for, you get back in profit. There's no cost to manufacture a digital product. There's no cost to duplicate a digital product like there would be if you had DVDs or CDs. So really, 100% of that money is yours to keep. That's an amazing benefit of having a digital product. But then on top of that, the fact that you can create an automated sales system for your digital product and have that money coming in passively, creating a passive income, that's incredible. Now, if you've never experienced a passive income, let me tell you something, it's the greatest thing on earth. When you have passive income, you can come and go as you please. You can do what you want when you want, and you're still getting paid. And that's amazing. So the best digital product that I've found, because there's all kinds of digital products out there, is to create an online course with your skills, your abilities, your knowledge, your talents. Put that into an online course that can be easily sold and resold over and over again to people all over the world. Now, if you're able to solve somebody's problem or able to help somebody do something much faster, much more productively, you're able to help people with something that you overcame, a challenge that you overcame, or something really difficult, a life challenge, then you can really have a very successful online course, i.e. digital product. And then you can sell that all over the world on the internet. The internet's an amazing thing when you use it right. So my favorite product to sell online is a digital product, and my favorite type of digital product to sell online is an online course, because you can not only make a great ongoing passive income, but you can also impact the world with your solution, your message, and things that you've overcome, and you can help people all around the world with those things as well. So if you like the idea of the online course business, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video.